Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive with Caribou Sydney. I'm just going to show you this 997 Turbo. I just finished doing the spark plugs. That's a brand new coil. You can tell how thick they are, the big ones. There. This one here, I'm just putting it in there to stop anything getting into the actual hole, the spark plug, because I take it out. So I have removed it already. Just want to show you the new spark plug. It's very important to inspect every single spark plug before you put it in. From this angle it looks normal until you look at that angle. See how it's bent sideways? The middle electrode, right in the middle. See how it's bent? There. It's more evident there. You see that? It's bent. So I've got to return this one and get a new one, a brand new one. It should be straight like that. That's the old one. See how straight it is? There. See? Alright, so I'll just put the old coil in there just to cover the hole so it doesn't actually so nothing can get in there. So everything's back on. This side here is all back on. This one here is all done. Everything's done on this side here. I'll put that pipe on. Already see that pipe there? This one here. I had to remove it from the top because you gotta move it out of the way so you can get to the actual spark plugs coil. So, and one thing I've done as well, so when I removed the actual heat shield for the exhaust, turbo exhaust, I found the studs, the nuts are all pretty much rusted. And look at that part there. Yeah, so it's all rusted. There you go, see it better. Even the nut rusted here and there as well. So I've taken those two out and put two brand new exhaust studs here, brand new ones here. The other one's still alright. So yeah, alright. Then I've got 4 new nuts as well, right there, before I put the heat shield on. So it's always good practice to, if you see anything like that, it's going to be broken or worn, just get it done. Otherwise, it's going to rattle and then you wish you'd done it because everything's back together already. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.